In this month's Green Pulse, Kristen Mazzafari takes us to a Chandler-Gilbert Community College class as they discuss environmental ethics.
Knowledge is different than empirical stimulation.
The questions posed by Darren Ripple seldom have an easy answer.
And so what is worse, the concept of hydroelectric power, which in some ways can hurt ecosystems, or the fact that many of these third world countries are currently using diesel fuel to create electricity.
And the students he speaks to often remain silent.
Everybody's quiet the whole class. He's got our attention, not because we're afraid of him, but because we want to hear what he has to say,
There are certain things.
The environmental ethics class forms the core of the new academic certificate in sustainability and ecological literacy offered by Chandler-Gilbert Community College.
No. False. Just as morality
would be looking at jobs possibly in things like journalism, business, and their position in particular wouldn't necessarily be the scientist in explaining sustainability, but a position that could help explain basic ideas of sustainability to the average person who really might need to be educated to a certain degree in it.
Environmental ethics challenges students to rethink what sustainability actually means. And sometimes it's the simple act of helping others do their part.
The root of the class stems from philosophy, encouraging students to explore new ideas through logic and experiential learning.
One of the things that I try to get students to first understand is respect for nature. And I think that sometimes when we grow up in built ecosystems or artificial environments like many of us are, we forget about our relationship to nature. One of the books that they look is The Last Flight of the Scarlet Macaw by Bruce Barcott, and the point is to look at an actual case study of this. And so they come to conclusions on that.
And this class really helps prepare you to know what you're talking about as far as the environment goes, and as far as letting other people know about things that are going on that they can easily just, help out with.
A concept that many students find leads them to others.
I believe it was Aristotle that said that that's why we learn ethics, is not to learn what good people do, it's to learn how to be a good person yourself.
Just as we do this.
This is Kristen Mazzafari for the Green Pulse on Maricopa Now.
Morality.